Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Oreo brownies using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a box of your favorite brownie mix, plus the eggs, oil, and water it calls for. Don't forget a package of Oreo cookies. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease a 9 by 13-inch baking pan. This simple approach ensures a quick and tasty treat. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your brownie mix with the specified amounts of eggs, oil, and water. Stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Once your batter is ready, pour about half of it into your greased 9 by 13-inch baking pan, spreading it evenly. Next, place a single layer of whole Oreo cookies directly on top of this first brownie layer. This creates a delightful surprise in every bite. With your Oreo layer in place, gently pour the rest of the brownie batter over the cookies, spreading it carefully to cover them completely. Try not to disturb the Oreos too much. Now, it's time to bake. Place your pan in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 28 to 32 minutes, or follow the time suggested on your brownie mix box. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Once baked, remove your delicious Oreo brownies from the oven and let them cool completely on a wire rack. This is crucial for clean cuts and a perfect texture. Patience is key here. After they've cooled, slice them into squares and serve. They're fantastic on their own or with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. For more great deals, including that amazing lifetime warranty on Darn Tough socks, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.